Welcome back to Finance Gen. You know that saying, make money work for you, not the other way around? Well, today, we're diving deep into exactly that. The ultimate guide to generating passive income. That's right, we're talking about building wealth while you sleep, binge-watching your favorite show, or even sipping a mojito on a beach. We're covering the top 5 passive income streams you absolutely need to know about, and trust me, these aren't your typical get-rich-quick schemes. This is about building sustainable wealth over time, so you can achieve true financial freedom. So whether you're just starting your journey to financial independence, or you're already a seasoned investor, this video is packed with actionable advice and strategies you can implement right away. Buckle up, let's make that passive income. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic passive income strategy, dividend stocks. Now you might be thinking, stocks? That doesn't sound very passive, Graham. But hear me out, because this is where the magic of compounding comes in. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you're essentially buying a small piece of a company that shares its profits with you, its shareholders. These payouts are typically issued quarterly, meaning you get a nice little paycheck 4 times a year just for owning the stock. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Instead of spending those dividends, you reinvest them back into buying more shares. And as you accumulate more shares, you earn even more dividends, which you then reinvest to buy even more shares. See where I'm going with this? It's like a snowball effect. But listen, I'm not just talking about any dividend stock. You want to look for established companies with a long history of consistent dividend payments and growth. Think blue chip companies or those dividend aristocrats that have increased their dividends for like 25 years straight. And remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, build a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying stocks across different sectors to minimize risk and maximize your potential returns. Now I know what you might be thinking. Graham, this all sounds great, but where do I even start? Well, there are tons of resources out there to help you find the right dividend stocks. You can use online brokerage accounts, financial websites, or even consult with a financial advisor if you want that personalized guidance. The bottom line is, dividend stocks are like planting a money tree that keeps on giving. It's a long-term game, but with patience and consistency, those quarterly dividends can add up to a significant stream of passive income over time. Next up, we're diving into the world of real estate, specifically rental properties. Now I know what you're thinking. Being a landlord doesn't exactly scream passive income, right? Dealing with tenants, fixing toilets, midnight calls about leaky faucets. It can sound like a headache. But trust me, when done right, owning rental properties can be a fantastic way to generate consistent cash flow month after month. First things first, you need to find the right property. Location, location, location. Look for areas with strong rental demand, low vacancy rates, and potential for appreciation. Think about it. Would you rather be a landlord in a booming city center or a ghost town? Exactly. Once you've secured your property, finding reliable tenants is key. Thorough screening is a must. We're talking background checks, credit checks, employment verification, the whole 9 yards. Remember, happy tenants equal consistent rental income. Now let's talk about managing those properties, because that's where things can get really hands-off. Hiring a property manager can be a game changer. They handle everything from collecting rent and finding tenants to dealing with repairs and maintenance. It's an expense, yes, but it frees up your time and saves you potential headaches down the road. And here's the beauty of real estate leverage. Unlike many other investments, you can buy rental properties with a mortgage, meaning you're using someone else's money to build your wealth. As you pay down that mortgage and rents increase over time, that cash flow goes straight into your pocket. But here's the thing, real estate isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term investment that requires capital, research, and a solid understanding of the market. But with the right strategy and a little bit of elbow grease up front, rental properties can become a powerful engine for generating passive income for years to come. Let's move on to a passive income stream that's exploded in recent years, creating and selling online courses. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert with a PhD to do this. If you have knowledge or skills that others are willing to pay for, you can package that expertise into an online course and start generating passive income. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? It could be anything from photography and graphic design to coding, marketing, or even dog grooming. If there's an audience out there eager to learn, there's a potential online course waiting to be created. Now, creating an online course takes effort up front. You need to plan your curriculum, film high-quality videos, create downloadable resources, and choose the right platform to host your course. But once that initial work is done, your course can essentially run on autopilot, generating income while you sleep, travel, or work on your next big project. Marketing your course is crucial. Leverage social media, build an email list, collaborate with influencers in your niche, get creative. The more people you reach, the more potential students you can enroll in your course. And here's the beauty of online courses. They're scalable. You only need to create the content once, and then you can sell it to an unlimited number of students. As your course gains traction and positive reviews start rolling in, it can create a snowball effect, generating a steady stream of passive income over time. Creating an online course is about more than just making money. It's about sharing your knowledge, empowering others, and building a community around your expertise. And who knows, it could even turn into a full-time income stream if you're passionate and dedicated. Next, let's talk about a strategy that's all about leveraging your influence and recommending products and services you genuinely love: affiliate marketing. Now, this isn't about slapping random ads on a website and hoping for the best. Successful affiliate marketing is about building trust with your audience and recommending products that provide real value. Here's how it works. You partner with a company that offers an affiliate program. You get a unique affiliate link for their products or services. Then, you strategically promote those products to your audience through your website, blog, social media channels, email list, or wherever you have a following. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The commission rates vary depending on the company and the product, but it can be a significant source of passive income, especially as your audience grows and you become a trusted source of recommendations. Now, the key to successful affiliate marketing is authenticity. Don't just promote any random product because it offers a high commission. Focus on products and services that you genuinely believe in, and that align with your niche and your audience's interests. Transparency is also crucial. Let your audience know that you're using affiliate links and that you may earn a commission if they make a purchase. It's about being upfront and building that trust factor. And remember, affiliate marketing takes work. You need to create high-quality content, build an engaged audience, and consistently promote your affiliate products. But when done right, it can be a lucrative and rewarding way to generate passive income while providing value to your followers. Finally, let's talk about a lesser-known but potentially lucrative passive income stream: peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending for short. Now, this one's all about cutting out the traditional banks and lending money directly to borrowers in exchange for interest payments. Think of platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. You create an account, browse through loan listings from borrowers, and choose which loans you want to fund based on their creditworthiness, loan purpose, and interest rates offered. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Instead of lending a large sum of money to a single borrower, you diversify your investments by spreading your funds across multiple loans, just like you would with a stock portfolio. This helps mitigate risk because if one borrower defaults, it won't significantly impact your overall returns. P2P lending can offer higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts or CDs, but remember, higher returns often come with higher risks. It's crucial to thoroughly research borrowers, understand their credit history, and carefully assess the loan terms before investing. And here's the thing, P2P lending isn't entirely passive. You still need to actively manage your portfolio, monitor loan performance, and reinvest your earnings to maximize returns. It requires some due diligence and ongoing attention, but for those willing to put in the effort, P2P lending can be a rewarding way to generate passive income while helping individuals and small businesses access much-needed capital. It's a win-win situation. Remember, as with any investment, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different loan grades, loan terms, and borrower profiles to minimize risk and optimize your returns. There you have it, 5 powerful strategies to start generating passive income and build lasting wealth. Remember, building true financial freedom takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about making smart choices today that will reward you for years to come. So, what are you waiting for? Choose a strategy that resonates with you, start small, and scale up as you gain experience and confidence. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on achieving financial freedom. See you in the next video.